Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Printify with Ecwid, so let's get right into it. Now, Printify is of course a service where you can create your own items, for example, with custom patterns or something like that, custom writing, etc., and you can sell those on different sites, including, of course, Printify. However, you can use Ecwid as well. Now, if I go into apps and go into the app market, you might be able to find Printify here. I'm not really sure since I've not done it yet. However, if we search for it, for example, Printify, and click there, you have the integration for Printify right over here, which is dropshipping and custom printing services. It does cost $850 USD per month. However, you can use it freely if you have the money, and that is pretty much it. Alternatively, what you can do is you can go into your catalog, go into your products, and of course, for whatever product you have on Printify, you might be able to export it and import it right over here, or you can manually add the new product. You can add images here, add the name, the SKU, the weight, whatever you want to add. For example, I'll just name it test. I won't add any images. I'll set the pricing to €1, and you can set up all the different options for your product right over here. And once you're done, just click save, and when you go back into your products, they'll be over here. And whenever you get an order, you can of course process that order through here and use your Printify account as well to fulfill that order. And that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.